India's position on Jammu and Kashmir, the return of the territory illegally occupied by Pakistan, has not changed, the External Affairs Ministry said on Tuesday, underlying with the Prime Minister Modi said 24 hours earlier and what the government sources told the NDTV and Millennium a day after that. Also, India is determined to the issue of being resolved bilaterally, the ministry has said, despite Pakistan having solicited the mediation in the past and the United States President Donald Trump having offered it twice. In a regular briefing this evening, the minister, that is spokesperson Randeep Jaiswal, told the reporters India has a long-standing national position on Jammu and Kashmir. That issue pertaining to the Union territory have been addressed by the India and the Pakistani bilaterally. This, Mr. Jaiswal said, has not changed, and so you are aware that the outstanding matter is in the vacation of the illegally occupied territory of the Pakistan, he said in response to the question about Trump's offer to broker a resolution. Prime Minister messaged on the Kashmir on Monday night in his first address to the nation after the Operation Sindoor that India's military response to the Pahalgam attack. The Prime Minister said that there could be no talks over Kashmir except over dismantling Pak terrorist infrastructure and returning the Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Reiterating what his predecessors have said, he said that terror and talks can't go together, terror and trade can't happen together, terror and water cannot flow together. The latter jab referred to the suspended Indus Water Treaty and reports Pakistan wanted it reactivated to agree to the ceasefire. Also, he warned terrorists that India would launch formidable counterattacks if faced with the repetition of the Pahalgam, where 26 people, mostly civilians, were killed by a proxy of the Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Taiba group. Also, India's unchanging Kashmir stance. Over the years, India has made its Kashmir position very clear that there can be no discussion with Pakistan except to return the stolen territory, and such talks must be bilateral. However, equally over the years, there have been mediation offers and talk of a third party to help a settling of this fractious dispute that leaves two nuclear powers perpetually on the brink of war. Also, such an offer was made by Trump in the first term and repeated 48 hours earlier. The US president, who took credit for the ceasefire in the staccato social media post, declared that he would work with you both to see if there's a 1,000-year solution that can be arrived at the concerning Kashmir issue.